I would be remiss if I did not begin by addressing the root cause of the current mental health and school safety crisis plaguing American school children: teachers' unions and their allies. They exploited the pandemic and effectively held kids hostage for their own financial and political benefit. And they did this under the name of science. But legitimate social science has demonstrated that after the initial viral panic, school closures were not driven by the prevalence of community spread. They were driven, rather, by the strength of teachers' unions and by the partisanship of their fellow travelers. Furthermore, public records requests have demonstrated that the Biden administration rewrote COVID guidance after being given a homework assignment by the unions. To paraphrase, please rework these with an eye towards our collective bargaining negotiations. Now, it will take legitimate medical and social scientists years to sort through the sheer and utter wreckage that these teachers' unions have caused. Perhaps some children were spared a physical disease that, for them, was less deadly than the flu, but warning signs of the true costs have been flashing red: rises in mental illness and a spike in school violence. Untold emotional and social damage has been done by refusing to allow students to see each other's faces and by programming them to look at their friends as vectors of disease. I expect that this chapter in American history will be looked back upon as a peculiarly American atrocity against our nation's children.